How to change device theme on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Personalization. After click on Personalization, click on Themes. After click on Themes, you will see theme is open according to your internet connection. So you will see if you want to change device theme, so select theme from here. After select theme, click on apply. You will see theme is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change device theme on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.